Hi guys, welcome to another video by School of RPA. In this video, we are going to talk about use cases for robotic process automation in contact centers. This is Abhinav Sabarwal and I'm Principal Consultant and Trainer at School of RPA. If you're new here, make sure to click subscribe button and check out all the links we have mentioned in the comment section below. Implementing a robotic process automation in contact centers can provide your employees with much needed assistance without the need for more costly hiring. Not only will they become more productive, but they will also be free to invest the time and cognitive resources in customer communication. This is a win-win situation. Customers' issues are better addressed, employees are more efficient while also being more likely to get a sense of meaningful work. And the company itself, on the top of the performance and productivity gains, can also leverage the positive consequences of good reputation among the clients and staff alike. So the first use case of RP in contact center is data management. Contact centers work with the large amounts of customer data. When done manually, this can wreak havoc. Overload employees can ask customers to repeat their details multiple times, causing frustration and slowing down resolution of the issue at hand. Even worse, accidentally swapping data bits may result in customers receiving information totally unrelated with what they asked for. It's easy to see that situations like these are likely to irritate customers and thereby downgrade the credibility of the company. Robotic process automation can cancel out the risk of error when extracting, analyzing, and cross-referencing data across. The employees can then invest all their resources in actually attending customers. In the end, both the customers and the employees are more satisfied and less stressed. Creation of summary scripts. The versatility of software robots when it comes to data formats allows them to collect and analyze input data from phone calls. This streamlines note-taking activities and allows employees to focus their attention on actually listening to and not just hearing customers' requests, and thus addressing their request more efficiently. The automatic production of summary scripts also reduces the average handling time. Consequently, employees can take more calls and be more customer-oriented, both of which contribute to boosting productivity. Updating client's profile. This is another example of a rule-based process to be performed upon successive instances of data collection. Currently available data no longer fits with the client profile. The updating activity can be understood as applying a rule of the kind maintain consistency, where consistency is defined by equal values of specific parameters across multiple databases. Example, email addresses, phone numbers, names, etc. This is a typical task that software robots love to perform, wanting error-free updates and thereby smoothing customer interactions and avoiding discontent customers. Production of customers' need and behavior. Automating this process provides a very good illustration of technology integration. Building on the data management capabilities, software robots can scan, analyze, and cross-examine customers' queries. Based on this, in collaboration with machine learning devices, they can predict with high accuracy what customer will want or do next. Such predictions can be leveraged for user-friendly conversational interfaces, which allow more genuine human-robot interaction. The effect is a better understanding of customers and more personalized way of addressing their needs. Yet again, we see how the deployment of robotic process automation in contact centers promises enhanced customer satisfaction. The fifth use case is responding to customers' complaints and inquiries. Customer statements of discontent on the top of the inherent call to be addressed that any kind of criticism poses also brings about challenge in dealing with unstructured data. Optical character recognition can be used to scan customers' letters, emails, or web forms and forward the structured input to software robots. They can do a data check and, if necessary, add additional relevant details. The outcome, a recommended customer response, is automatically delivered to the case management system. An employee can then refine the content and ultimately send it to customer.
Guys, thank you for watching my video. We offer courses, RPA courses in Blue Prism, UiPath, Win Automation, and RPA Business Analyst Training. My number is on the screen, and if you like to do RPA training or learn one of the RPA tools like Blue Prism or UiPath, just give us a call or write to us. Call us and ask for a free career consultation. We offer online instructor-led training. So no matter where in the world you are, you can have personalized online training. We offer flexible timings that can be adjusted as per your convenience, which is great for working professionals. We help you achieve RP certification. We assist you with your resume and interview preparation, and we offer placement assistance. We keep on releasing new videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to watch our upcoming videos. Thank you and goodbye.